Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Amherst, Nova Scotia sits at the northeastern end of the Cumberland Basin along the Bay of Fundy. It is a small town with a population of around 10,000 people, making it one of the main service centers in northwestern Nova Scotia. The area began to grow after the middle of the 18th century, when settlers moved into Cumberland County during a period of major change in the region. The first settlement was located a few miles west of the present town site. By the middle of the 19th century, the community had moved closer to local mills and growing industries. By the late 19th century, Amherst had become an important manufacturing town. Local factories produced boots, shoes, woolen goods, pianos, and other products. The arrival of the railway helped the town grow by connecting Amherst to markets across the Maritimes and the rest of Canada. During this period, Amherst became known for industry, trade, and skilled craftsmanship. Many buildings in downtown Amherst date back to that era. Sandstone and brick buildings still line parts of the downtown core, showing the architectural style and prosperity of the late 19th century. Amherst is also home to one of the region's oldest Black communities, often known as Sand Hill, with a history that goes back more than 100 years. Today, Amherst continues to serve as a regional hub for nearby rural communities. The town offers healthcare services, long-term care, shopping, schools, and municipal services for much of Cumberland County. The local economy includes light manufacturing, retail, public services, and small businesses. Some residents work locally, while others commute to nearby communities. Housing in Amherst is generally more affordable than in larger parts of Nova Scotia. Home prices are often lower than those found in Halifax and other major urban centers, making home ownership more accessible for many families. As of May 2026, average home prices in Amherst remain in the lower to middle $100,000 range. Nature also plays an important role in the Amherst area. The nearby Cumberland Basin and Bay of Fundy are known for powerful tides, coastal scenery, and changing landscapes throughout the year. The surrounding countryside includes forests, farmland, rivers, and marshland, giving the region a strong connection to both agriculture and outdoor recreation. Amherst is also known for its community events and local culture. Throughout the year, residents take part in seasonal festivals, sports, farmers markets, and community gatherings. The town has a quieter pace of life compared to larger cities, but it remains active and connected, with strong local pride and long-standing community traditions. Amherst is connected by highways and rail lines and remains an important transportation link between Nova Scotia and New Brunswick. The town continues to focus on preserving its historic character while supporting steady economic growth and community life. Today, Amherst reflects a mix of maritime history, industrial heritage, and small town living in northern Nova Scotia. Thanks for watching!